A very good afternoon, gentlemen. My today's lecture topic is Armed Forces Special Power Act. I will divide my topic into three parts. First, I will tell you about this act. Then, I will tell you what are the powers comes under this act, and finally, I will conclude my lecture by giving my opinion. So, ASPA, that is Armed Forces Special Power Act, it is an act of the Parliament that gives special power to the armed forces to maintain public order in a disturbed area. The act came into forces in context with increasing violence in the northeastern states decades ago, which the state government found difficult to control. Then Parliament approved this act on 11th of September 1958. Then, as I mentioned earlier, that the ASPA can be invoked into the area which the central and state government identify as disturbed. Now, talking about some of the powers under this act, then the armed forces has the authority to prohibit the gathering of five or more people in an area. Then armed forces can use forces against any kind of internal disturbance or violence. The armed forces even can open a fire by giving a due warning if anyone breaks law. The armed forces, if suspicions is confirmed, then armed forces can arrest any person without a warrant. They can even search or enter any premises without a warrant. They can stop any vehicles and search, and many more. Now, talking about the states which comes under the ASPA. Uh, Currently, ASPA 1958 is operational in the entire state of Assam, Nagaland, Manipur, except the municipal area of Imphal and some part of the states of Arunachal Pradesh. Now, gentlemen, I will talk about some criticism regarding ASPA. There have been recorded some protests in the northern states, especially in Manipur. Then the critics also argued that the armed forces is conducting some fake encounters and it also violate human rights. But the armed forces, the army, they claimed that the ASPA is very much needed in critical situations, especially to counter insurgency in the northeastern states. Gentlemen, according to me, I conclude my lecture by saying that ASPA is very much needed for the armed forces as it gives special power to the armed forces to especially to tackle the critical situation of insurgency and aggression in the northern eastern states where China provoked the people for the independent states, and definitely armed forces is doing it